next problem statement is to understand strcat. strcat is nothing but string concatenation function, and the length controlled string concatenation function is strncat. strncat. So this is a syntax for string concatenation, that is strcat of destination string followed by source string, and the syntax for length controlled string concatenation is strncat destination string source string comma, here we are going to give the n value, that is the number of characters of source string to be appended onto the destination string. So let us understand first string concatenation, strcat. So let me initialize two strings, string 1 with some size comma string 2 with some size. So this is what which I require for reading the two strings. So here I'll be giving puts enter string 1 get str1. So as in the scanf we can read multiple strings, in gets we need to read only one string at a time. Enter string 2, enter string 2 gets of str2. So this is how we are going to read two strings, string 1 and string 2. Now let me print the concatenation of string 1 and string 2 are %s. As it is a string, I am going to take %s followed by, now what is the string concatenation function is strcat of str1 comma str2. Let me also print the another test case, that is the concatenation of string 2 and string 1. Now here this is string 2 and this is string 1. So according to the syntax strcat, the first one is the destination string and the next one is source string. The contents of source string will be appended to the destination string. Now let me execute this and check the different test cases. So I am giving the string 1. So let me give the string 1 as virtue. I am giving the string 1 as virtue and I am giving the string 2 as learn. String 1 is virtue and string 2 is learn. As soon as I enter, now you can see the concatenation of string 1 and string 2 are Virtulearn. So here what is the destination string? The string 2 is a source string and string 1 is a destination string. So the contents of source string will be appended to the destination string. That is, in str1 we have virtue and in str2 we have learn. Now after concatenation our output is Virtulearn. And in the second printf statement, the concatenation of string 2 and string 1 are strcat of str2. Now the second string is coming to the destination part and the string 1 is now in the source part. Actually this destination string 1 is already holding the value of Virtulearn. So that is the reason why you got this entire Virtulearn. You understood the difference, right? In str1 now we have, after executing this output, in str1 we have Virtulearn because it has become the destination string. Now in the next case str2 is learn. str2 is learn. Now for this learn we are appending the destination string content. What are the destination string here? str1, it has been updated with Virtulearn. That is what we got here, the output as Virtulearn. So you can understand easily with the help of this example how your destination string is getting updated once you execute this string concatenation function. Now let us see the next string concatenation with length controlled. Now in order to see the length controlled, here I am going to use one more identifier, int n. So I can also read this n value, how many number of characters I want to append. So I am writing a dynamic program here like printf, enter the number of characters to be concatenated, concatenated. Scanf, here I am going to read the value of n, address of n. So I am reading the value of n at runtime. Now here length controlled string concatenation, that is string concatenation of str1 and str2, these are the things. Just I am commenting this for your reference. Now let me execute these statements with the length control. Now let me execute these statements with the length control. The concatenation of strings, the string 1 and string 2 with length controlled are, now for length control we need to use strncat. So you can see the syntax for length controlled string concatenation, strncat of destination string comma source string. So the concatenation of string 1 and string 2 with the length controlled are strncat of str1 comma str2 followed by comma, here we need to give the n. This n value we are going to read from this scanf statement. Now printf, the concatenation of string 2 and string 1 with length controlled are, now strncat of str2 comma str1 comma n, right? Now I'll be executing these two statements individually, not to make you confusion. Just I am executing them first with the strncat of str1 comma str2 comma n. Let me execute this code. I am entering the first string as good and the second string as morning. Now enter the number of characters to be concatenated. So I want to concatenate good followed by more. Okay, now I'll be taking 3 characters. So the concatenation of string 1 and string 2 with the length controlled is good more, right? Good more. Now let me uncomment this. Let me execute by commenting this particular statement. Again I am going to give the same string, good morning. So now I want to convert. Now I want to concatenate for morning good. Okay, because here we have given string 2 comma string 1. Now 2 characters from string 1 need to be appended to the string 2, right? The concatenation of string 2 and string 1 with the length controlled are, first is morning, right? Because in string 2 we have morning. Next I am concatenating 2 characters of string 1, that is go, morning go, right? So this is how the concatenation of 2 strings will be done with the help of length control. So this is about the string manipulation function strcat and strncat.